Everything Tech Review, and in today's video I will be unboxing the TileMate. It is a little Bluetooth tile that tracks your devices, essentially. I received this also from winning another Tripler Tech Wizard contest, and I'll leave some more information in the description on it, and a link if you want to purchase this on Amazon. With that, let's get started. Let's see how small it is. It's very thin, and the picture says it's shown to actual size, which is very cool. So, open. The box is confusing to open. I'll just slide out the other piece, and now I'm opening it. Put it back in focus. I apologize because my camera is coming soon, so I'm shooting this from my phone. So get started at downloadtile.com. Here's some information packets. Here's getting started guide in multiple languages. There's hardware warranty, as well as some regulatory statements. And this is it. I have to say, because I forgot before, that this is not a paid advertisement from Tripler or Tile. I just received this for winning a contest. It's very small. It's great for keychains, but I want to put it in my wallet, so I'm going to see if that works. In the box for the towels, they show you a camera, so you could attach the towel to your camera. It's that small. I'm going to put on my keys, and then I'm going to start the setup guide, and I'll try to walk you through it. Hi guys, so I started the Tile account. I made the username and password, and I sent a verification email. And now my Bluetooth and location services are on, so it could actually locate it. And I received a TileMate, so I'm going to click on it. I could click the tile logo twice. Sorry about that, guys. I basically need to hold the tile in a different position for it to work. So first I'm going to try to, now it activated, I'm going to try to do it with the key, and then I'm going to see if I could change it after. We'll see what difference this makes. You can see the app is not very responsive. Not responsive at all. For some reason the app forced quit on me, but now it's appearing to work, so I'm going to try it. So now I'm going to see if my tile is in range now. It's connecting and it says nearby. And this is my phone. I could do it. So it's right next to my phone, but I'm just gonna not turn it down. And let's say you could give another person to access the tile, and then they could see it and help you also. I could change the details actually, so I'll change it to. I want to keep it in my wallet, but I'm gonna. All these. So now that app appears to be set up, fine, actually, even after that. It's still locating, so I can't. Let's see if I could change anything. I'm gonna take a photo, actually, of my tile and my keys. Maybe I could. I'll see if it changes anything. Photo. So overall, the app is alright, but there's a few bugs, and I like this device so far, but I'm gonna need further testing in order to clarify and check. And I realized that I could, according to this, I could double press the logo on the tile to make your phone ring even when it's silent, so I'm gonna test it right now. I'm holding the tile right by my phone, and I'll go. My tile ring my phone. It's pretty cool. And I'll leave all the prices and other products in the description, and I hope you like this video. And the next one will be higher production, and I apologize for all the problems. Feel free to leave a message in the comments, like, share, and subscribe this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Peace out.